Welcome, my dear students. Today, our subject is Maths. In Maths, we are going to learn chapter number 15, the calendar. Calendar is the record of all the dates and days of the year. It shows the months, weeks, and days of a year. Calendar tells us major events during the year, number of working days, number of holidays, and the days and the dates of each month. Children, there are many types of calendar. We are using the Gregorian calendar. The Gregorian calendar has 12 months, 52 weeks, and typically has 365 days. So children, these are the 12 months of Gregorian calendar: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And these are the days of week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The calendar of the year 2021 is given here. You can see that it is showing the months, weeks, and days in the year. And one more thing that you may notice here, that the dates of Sundays are marked in different color to indicate holiday. Yes, Sunday is holiday. As we all know, so in a calendar the dates of Sundays are marked with different color. There are 12 months in a year. There are 7 months in a year which have 31 days each. January, March, May, July, August, October, and December have 31 days. There are 4 months in a year which have 30 days each. April, June, September, November have 30 days each. Children, February is the only month which has 28 or 29 days. Children, there is an interesting trick to find out which month has how many days, and that is with the help of your knuckles. Children, these are the mounts of your knuckles, and the months on the mounts of your knuckles have 31 days. These are the falls of your knuckles, and the months on the falls of the knuckles have 30 days. Here is one thing to remember: though February is on the falls of the knuckles, it has 28 or 29 days. So children, normally February has 28 days. However, on a leap year, February gets an extra day, leap day, which is 29th February. Children, year 2019 is an ordinary year. Therefore, we have 28 days in February 2019. And the year 2020 is a leap year. Therefore, we have 29 days in Feb 2020. Children, have you ever wondered why does this happen? Why are there 365 days in an ordinary year, and why there are 366 days in a leap year? There is a very interesting reason behind this question. Let's understand it. So children, this is the sun, this is the earth, and this is its orbit. So it takes 365 days and 6 hours for the earth to orbit the sun. That means if we have extra 6 hours for 4 years, we actually have an extra day. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 24. Remember, there are 365 days in a year. There are 366 days in a leap year? The year which is exactly divisible by 4 is a leap year. It comes after every 4 years. The year in which the February month has 29 days is a leap year. Use the calendar of February shown below to answer the question. Now calendar is given, we have to answer the asked question. So first question is, what is the date on the third Saturday of February? Let us search in Saturday column. So this is the Saturday column. We want third Saturday, first, second and third. So the date is 16/2/2019, which means 16 February 2019. Now let's move on to question number 2, second. On which day does the month end? So let us find out the last day of the month, which is called month end. So the last date is 28. We have to find out the day on which the month ends. So the last day of the month is Thursday. That is, the month ends at which day? Thursday. Let's see our next question. Question number 3. How many Sundays are there in the given calendar? Now calendar is given to us and we have to find out how many Sundays are there in this calendar. So first we will search Sunday column. Yes, how many Sundays we can see here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many Sundays are there in this calendar? There are 4 Sundays in the given calendar. Now let's move on to the next question, fourth one. What is the date on the 4th Sunday of February? We have to find out 4th Sunday. So first we will search Sunday column. In that Sunday columns we will search 4th Sunday. Yes, we got it. So what is the date on 4th Sunday? It is 24/2/2019, which means 24th February 2019. Let's see next question. Which day is celebrated as Teachers' Day? When do we celebrate Teachers' Day? Yes, the answer is 5th of September. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year in India. September 5th is marked by birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. So in remembrance of him, we celebrate his birthday as Teachers' Day on 5th of September. Let's see next. Independence Day falls on which date? So when do we celebrate Independence Day? So we celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August, correct? Yes, the Independence Day of India marks the freedom of the country from British Empire in the year 1947. So as we got freedom from Britishers, we celebrate this day as Independence Day. On which date we celebrate? Yes, we celebrate it on 15th of August. Next one. Our country became independent on 15th of August 1947. How many years of independence have we completed? So, my dear students, here we have to find out the years which we have completed till 2020. So, the solution is on 15th August 2020 we have completed. From 2020 we will subtract 1947. So how much we'll get? See here, roughly I had done subtraction, so we have got 73 years. So we have completed 73 years of independence. Next, whose birthday comes every 4 years and why? So let us find out whose birthdays comes after every 4 years. So solution, the birthdays of the people who were born on 29th February come every 4 years because 29th February comes only in a leap year which occurs once every 4 years. This means 29th is a leap day. So whosever birthdays falls on 29th of February, they must be celebrating their birthday after every 4 years as it is a leap day. India launched the satellite Aryabhatta into space. The year 2005 was the 30th year after this event. So in which year was the satellite launched? So my dear students, we have to find out the year in which the satellite was launched. Here they had given that in the year 2005 it has completed 30 years. So let us see solution. So from 2005 we will subtract 30. So the answer is 1975. So therefore the satellite was launched in the year 1975. Let's move on to next question. If today is 2/2/2003 means 2nd of February 2003, then what will be the date exactly after 15 years from today? So my dear students, after 15 years date will be same, only the year will be different. So we are going to add 15 in the year 2003. So the solution is 2003 plus 15, that is 2018. So the date after 15 years from 2/2/2003 will be 2/2/2018. That is 2nd of February 2018. Now let's move on to next question. The year 1987 was the birth centenary of the great Indian mathematician Ramanujan. What does this tells us? So let's see solution. Centenary means 100 years. In 1987, the nation observed the 100th birth anniversary of Ramanujan. Therefore, 1987 minus 100, that is 1887. Thus, Ramanujan was born in the year 1887. How to calculate the age in whole years, in months and days? Now let us find out how to calculate the age in years also, months also and days also. So let us start. Let us assume the age is 9 years. Now we are going to assume that the age is 9 years, and these 9 years we are going to calculate in months, in days. Okay. So as 1 year is 12 months, so the age in months would be 9 multiplied by 12, that is equal to 108 months. As 1 year is equal to 365 days, the age in days would be 9 multiplied by 365, which is 3285 days.